Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that developers might encounter while checking dependencies in their plugins for a specific program. The issue at hand revolves around ensuring that a plugin binary for Wayfire has been compiled with the correct version of the program to avoid any compatibility issues. So, let's dive into the solution for this problem. To address the missing symbol error when running the test program, we need to add a definition for the wf transaction_object_t class in our test code. By including this definition, along with creating an instance of it to retain the table, we can ensure that the necessary type info for the symbol is present in the test binary. Now, let's recap the key steps to resolve this dilemma. By explicitly defining the wf transaction_object_t class in our test code and ensuring that the table is maintained with an instance creation, we can rectify the missing symbol error and successfully compare the ABI version with the current Wayfire version. Well, that's a wrap for today. Remember, always double-check your dependencies to avoid runtime errors, just like we did here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!